Welcome to Phone Fusion channel, and today we are going to unbox the Galaxy Buds Core. This is the cheapest Galaxy Buds that Samsung offers. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. Right on top we have got the Galaxy Buds Core case. Let's take it out. The case itself is nicely wrapped. Let's unwrap it. Inside the case we have the two earbuds, one for the left ear and one for the right. The case feels really smooth and compact, and without the earbuds it's really light. Let's put them back on and check out what else is in the box. Now in here we have got two small boxes, and one of them has the extra ear tips, which will be very useful. Now let's check the other box, and it has two rubber things that you can use to replace the existing ones that are on the earbuds, which will also be very useful. And we also have the quick start guide inside the box that none of us will ever read. So that was the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Core. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.